My name's Nicholas Barnett. I do irrigation is my forte, landscaping and irrigation, but my specialty is the sprinklers, the irrigation side. So drip line, sprinklers, HydroSpirals now is part of my repertoire. I was like shovel all the way before, now I'm
all about the auger.
Yes. The thing I do is make sure the system's running. So when it's kicking around dirt, nothing gets clogged in there. But that is part of my process. What a nice perk. Someone's injecting by hand some worm castings,
straight to the root.
Gotta love it. Just puncture it so that can fit in. Some micro tube. Get that at the right height. Connect that guy. Snug it right up. And then I tuck that into, that's the important part. And then fill with gravel, done. Try to keep that as empty as possible. And that is the key, is finding the right length. I like it so that it kind of tucks under there just a little bit without kinking. And it just kind of holds it down, but see, it does pull around all pretty good in there. Especially I think when the dirt is there, which is...
It wants to drink it, like it wants to absorb it.
It does, but it also helps it pool in there a little bit when there's a little bit of resistance, because it can't soak it all up at once, and so I think it helps it to work even better. And what's cool about these can be buried too. So I like to leave this pretty high. I mean, I try to give it an inch
so you can
above,
inspect it,
so nothing gets kicked in it. You know, because that's a thing that happens all the time. And the gravel I love too, because it just helps from dirt getting in there, I think, and it also is a big camouflager, because right now you see a big black hole, but when there's that gravel in there, it camouflages better. Here we go.
Yes.
I think that's the right gravel size, the 3/8.
You can do it with gravel or you can do it without gravel.
I really like the gravel.
Time. 1 minute.
Not bad. I see this HydroSpiral as a part of a drip line system. That's where I would classify this, right? Part of a drip line system. So I see it as an emitter, you know, just like one of the button emitters, or maybe not quite, but a part of the emitter. So I see it as an essential part to a drip line. And to be honest with you, I see it as the best part of the drip line system. You know, it's like, this is the best emitter on the market. That's what I think. You know, that's how I'm seeing it right now. So part of the fun of the philosophy of landscaping in general is making it look as natural as possible. A couple certain spots I'll really try, you know, points of view where you're walking through, really try to hide them. They really do blend in pretty good if you can get them kind of flush, and then little tricks like putting a rock in front of it, and there's little tricks with that, even like digging the rock into the ground so it doesn't look like you just popped it there, like it just looks like it's natural, for example. But yeah, I mean, you can hide them really cool, but with the gravel in there, I love the gravel in there because that just really camouflages it. I mean, look at this. There's one right here too. I didn't see that guy. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Oh
no, I did not see this one.
So there's 3 right there. This has been on for 2 days. 2 days. Okay.
Not 2 days straight.
I mean, not 2 days straight, no, but I've ran it 2 hours.
Wait, I only saw, oh, there's another one right there.
Yesterday and today, so can you believe that? cool stuff. How amazing is that? So,
Nature will find a way.
oh my god.